It is now 1 month since Boxer listed in the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. I mean, those that participated in the expression of interest which EasyEquities was offering to those in their platform, they are still verifying those guys, because as seen on the screen, in a 1 month, Boxer is still up 18%, trading at around 63 rands per share, which, like I said, those that took EasyEquities expression of interest, they did very well, because they're still up 18%. 18% in a space of 1 month, it's a good gain, man. It's not many places that will give you 18% of returns after you invest, and therefore those that participated are on a green. I'm up 2% because for some reason I forgot on the day that I had to go in and buy the shares, but I bought on the day that, of course, it started trading, and as I'm doing this video, I'm up 3%. But anyways, what we are seeing onto those that, of course, participated onto Boxer expression of interest, they are up over 18%, which is great, which is amazing. And yeah, I wish you well, guys. I wish you Boxer can continue surging. So yeah, man, I think when you look into Boxer as a company, it is a company which is expected to do very well, because if there's one thing that is making Boxer win, is that some of the areas which some of the retailers are not comfortable to go, Boxer is there. Some of these rural places where some of these big retailers are not going or don't want to risk going there, you will find a Boxer there, and that's how Boxer is generating some good revenues, or has been doing so well under the Pick and Pay brand, right? So yeah, man, I am happy, I am excited. I mean, I'll be honest with you, I'm not that aggressive. I was not that aggressive onto Boxer. I was just putting money for the sake of putting money, because I knew I was already late since the IPO, right? But anyways, I think Boxer has got a very bright potential, good potential, because they are also having a plans of deploying more stores or reaching more areas, because apparently Boxer is dominating. It's more in KZN, and therefore they want to also make sure that they have a huge presence into the other provinces of South Africa. That is your Gauteng, Limpopo, all these areas. They want to continue loading stores to make sure that, of course, they grow this retailer or this retail business for Boxer. So revenue wise, they're doing well, and hopefully we get to see those that own these shares of Boxer being rewarded with time. And kudos to EasyEquities, man, that gave an opportunity to people, or on people, to go and participate into going to buy these shares before they list. I mean, those are the very people that are up 18% today. 1 month later, they are up 18%, which is great, which is amazing. What is left right now, it's for Boxer to make sure that they put on a good performance for their investors, so that the investors can continue loading the boat, increasing their holdings onto Boxer as it continues performing or doing very well. Otherwise, with all that, man, I thought I'd quickly give you quick updates, since it's now a month later since Boxer listed in the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. So tell me what you think about this. Tell me, what are your gains? How far are you? Are you happy? Are you sad? Do you wish you do you regret not participating? I do. There is that thing in my heart that makes me to maybe say I should have maybe set a timer on my watch, set a timer on my phone, to make sure that I don't forget that day. But anyways, I learned my lesson, and next time we've got opportunities to do this, I'm going to be one of the people that gets to be early when it comes to investing into companies, especially with a bright future, especially with good fundamentals. Otherwise, that's all from me, man. Do your own due diligence. It's always important that before you buy any company, you don't just buy because someone told you to, but just do some due diligence, just do some research. Come on YouTube, check the guys that are talking about that company, as it will help you also how to analyze a company. I have done an analysis of Boxer onto this channel. I have told you why I like Boxer and I think it has got a good potential. So yeah man, it is always good that you also do your own due diligence, even not only on Boxer but all the other stocks. Do your own DD so that at least you can be comfortable as you are investing onto this stock. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click the notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Blue sky is coming, long term will win. That's all from me, and God bless you all.